of redox reaction. Redox reaction can be balanced by two different methods. First is called as oxidation number method. And second is called as half reaction method. Half reaction method. This half reaction method is also called as electron transfer method. Electron transfer method. Now, oxidation number method or half reaction method, both this method can be balanced under two different conditions. Under acidic medium and under basic medium. In acidic medium, H plus or H2O is added in order to balance the equation. In basic medium, OH minus and H2O can be added to balance the equation. Likewise, half reaction method can be also be performed under both the condition, acidic medium or basic medium. Acidic medium can be indicated in a chemical reaction by writing the pH less than 7, and basic medium can be indicated by writing the pH more than 7. pH less than 7 and pH greater than 7. Now, in order to balance the chemical equation, first we require the basic knowledge of balancing the charge. Now, तो आपको 10th स्टैंडर्ड अगर मालूम है चार्ज कैसे बैलेंस करते हैं, under acidic medium. In acidic medium, what we can add it? H plus or H2. Now, on the one side, if the charge is left hand side and right hand side, on the left hand side, total charge of the ion is -4. On the right hand side, it is 0. Then on which side we can add the H plus to balance the charge? Left hand side. Lower value. Always H plus. Acidic pH means pH less than 7. Less than 7 means lower value. Here X is placed. Whenever H plus is added, it is added in a lower value side. So wherever lower value is there, place X. X minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 plus 4. So X is equal to 4. So we can add 4H plus on a left hand side. So 4H plus minus 4 is equal to 0. So 4 into H plus means plus 4 minus 4 0. So 0 0 हो गया दोनों तरफ. So H plus is always added on a lower value side. H plus added on a lower value side to balance the charge. To balance charge. Next, if one side -8 and another side -4, then which one is the lower value side?
-8.
So we can place X on the left hand side. So X is equal to -4 plus 8.
Plus 4.
So 4H plus -8 gives -4. 4H plus means 4 into plus 1 minus 8 is equal to -4. So plus 4 minus 8 minus 4.
-4.
Clear? Likewise, plus 12 plus 6.
Plus 6.
On the plus 6 side, lower value side. So X is equal to plus 12 minus 6. 6. So plus 12 plus 6 plus 6H plus. So plus 12 plus 6 plus 6 into plus 1. So plus 12 plus 12. Clear? Plus 6 minus 4.
minus 4.
lower value side. So plus 6 plus 4 is equal to x.
10
S is equal to 10 plus 10 now. So plus 6 minus 4 plus 10 into h plus
plus 6 plus 4 plus 10 into plus 1.
6 minus 4 plus 10.
Plus 6 gives plus 6.
Clear? So in this way we can able to identify on which side. This is based on charge. Based on charge. Both the side you have to maintain the same charge. If right hand side 0 and left hand side is minus 4, then convert it into both the side minus 4 or both the side 0. Minus 8 minus 4 to both side वापिस. Clear? Now this is under acidic medium. But if you want to balance the charge under basic medium, then
More than
charge balancing under
OH minus
OH
or
minus.
H2O. तो मोर जेना વધારે વેલ્યू ટેક
basic medium means pH greater than 7, x on a higher value side. And basic medium OH minus or H2 is added. Now first one minus 4 and 0. Now x where it is placed?
0.
0 side.
Minus
So x is equal to minus 4. So minus 4 0 plus 4 OH minus autonomously minus 4 होगा. We can add the H plus or OH minus. Plus 4 into OH minus. So minus 4 0 plus 4 into
minus 1.
so minus 4.
minus 4.
एसिडिक में दोनों जीरो हो रहा था और यहाँ पे दोनों माइनस 4.
minus 4.
चलो सेकेंड minus 8 minus 4.
Minus 4.
Higher value side now minus 4. Minus 8 plus 4 is equal to x. X is equal to minus 4. So we need to add 4.
हाँ minus 8
Minus 4 plus 4 OH minus. तो ऑटोनोमसली माइनस 4 होगा. Minus 4 minus 4. So minus 8 minus 8. 4 into OH minus. तो 4 into minus 1 minus 4. So minus 8 minus 8. Plus 12 plus 8.
plus 12.
Plus 12. minus 4 OH
So x is equal to plus 8 minus 12.
minus 4.
माइनस 4 नेगेटिव ही आने वाला है हर बार इधर.
plus 12
Plus
4
4
OH minus.
OH minus is equal to plus 8.
12 plus
4 into
minus 1. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8 is equal to
minus 4 and plus 4.
plus 4 plus 4
8 OH
minus 8. So minus 4 plus 4 plus 8 plus 8
Plus 4 plus 8 OH minus.
minus 4 plus 4 minus 8 minus 1
Plus 8 into minus 1.
minus 4 plus 4 minus 8 minus 4 gives minus 4.
Clear?
हाँ
So in this way it is divided into the 4 different sections A, B, C, D. Clear? Either acidic or basic. Acidic medium H plus is added on a lower value side. X is placed on a lower value side. In basic medium
OH
pH greater than higher value sides. Clear? So पहला यही आना चाहिए. अगर ये गलत किया तो तुम्हारा न्यूमेरिकल गलत ही होने वाला है. बैलेंसिंग. Now balancing the chemical reaction by redox reaction by oxidation number method. First by oxidation number method under acidic medium. अंडर एसिडिक मीडियम। तुम्हारा जो इक्वेशन है वो इस तरीके से दिया हुआ है। अनबैलेंस इक्वेशन Cr2O7 2 minus Cr2O7 2 minus plus SO3 2 minus gives Cr3 plus SO4 2 minus. Is this equation balanced?
No.
Here chromium 2, here
One.
1, here oxygen,
Seven.
here 4,
Four.
here sulfur
One.
1, here sulfur 1,
One.
but again oxygen 3 plus 7 plus 3 10,
10,
here 4.
four.
So this is not at all balanced equation by any means. Even charge if count minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, here plus 3 minus 2 plus 1. It is not a balanced equation. So in order to balance the equation, we need to follow the following steps. Step 1. Calculate the oxidation state of the elements. Calculate the
Oxidation state of element.
oxidation state or oxidation number of elements. Normally other than हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन, उसका भी निकाल सकते हैं, बट उसका इतना बेनिफिट नहीं होगा। अगर पहला जो है हमारा स्टेप वही होना चाहिए कि अदर देन ऑक्सीजन एंड हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन और हाइड्रोजन के ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट रेड कस में चेंज होने वाले, जैसे कि हाइड्रोजन विथ मेटल -1 एंड विथ नॉन मेटल +1, एक तरफ मेटल है एक तरफ नॉन मेटल है, और ऑक्सीजन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ऑक्साइड एंड सुपर ऑक्साइड और पेरोक्साइड एंड ऑक्साइड, then its oxidation state normally get changed. Otherwise, other elements in 90% cases their oxidation state get changed. So our first aim to calculate the oxidation state of element other than
HNO.
so Cr2O7 2 minus plus SO3 2 minus gives Cr3 plus SO4 2 minus. So,
+6.
क्रोमियम सल्फर क्रोमियम एंड सल्फर, चलो निकालो क्या है।
+6 +4
हियर इट इज +6 +4 +3 +6। क्लियर? स्टेप 1। स्टेप 2, once oxidation state is assigned, balance the number of atom for which oxidation state is assigned. Here chromium is, how many chromiums are there? 2. Here 1. So it is not balanced. Here sulfur
1
balance the number of atom. Second step, balance the
Number of atoms.
number of atoms for which oxidation state is assigned. Oxidation state is assigned. चलो तो Cr2O7 2 minus plus Cr3 plus SO4 2 minus, ये 2 से है और ये 1 है, तो इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। क्लियर? अगर इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो उसका ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट कितना था? +3, 2 × +3 वो भी मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, this become a +6. If this oxidation state multiplied, then this +6 is also get multiplied by 2. जो राइट साइड पर તમે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો તો લેફ્ટ પર મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવું પડશે, જે સેમ ડિજિટ થી +12 હિયર +4 જ રહેશે, નાનું +6 જ રહેશે। કેમ? सल्फर 1 1 ही था तो उसको मल्टीप्लाई किया नहीं हमने। यहाँ पे क्रोमियम को क्यों 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे 2 क्रोमियम थे एंड राइट हैंड पे ओनली 1, सो वी मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2. If it get multiplied, the oxidation state also get multiplied. So 2 × 3 become 6. If right hand side, if it's something which is get multiplied by any digit, the left hand side also their oxidation state get multiplied. Here 2 chromium is equal to plus 6. Here so 2 chromium is equal to plus 12. Step 2 clear? Now step 3. Identify the oxidation half.
Oxygen balance है.
Identify the oxidation half and reduction half based on change in oxidation state or oxidation number. Clear? Based on change in oxidation state or oxidation state. Now Cr2O7 2 minus plus SO3 2 minus gives 2Cr3 plus
SO4 2 minus.
now identify. Here oxidation state become plus 12 plus 4 plus 6
plus 6.
plus 6. So plus 12 to plus 6 reduction. Difference of
6.
6 plus 4 to plus 6
Oxidation.
difference of
2.
2. Now balance the oxidation half and reduction half with suitable multiple by multiply with here oxidation half difference is 2 and reduction as a 6. So we need to balance this oxidation and reduction with suitable multiple to balance the number of difference become the same. So reduction is multiplied by 1 and oxidation will be multiplied by 3. Clear? તો સ્ટેપ 4 પહેલાં આપણે લખીશું. સ્ટેપ 4 શું આવશે તમારું?
Multiply the reduction and oxidation.
બેલેન્સ oxidation and
Reduction equation with suitable coefficient.
oxidation and reduction with suitable multiple. Balance the oxidation reduction by multiply with suitable and reduction reaction by multiply with suitable multiple. Suitable multiple. चलो now so Cr2O7 2 minus plus SO3 2 minus gives 2Cr3 plus SO4 2 minus. Now plus 12 plus 6 reduction and 6 का difference plus 4 plus 6 oxidation and 2 का difference. Now multiply this one with 1, reduction with 1 because here 6 here 2 and this one with 3. So this is also get multiplied by 3 and this is also get multiplied by 3. ऑक्सीडेशन को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो ऑक्सीडेशन किस किस का हुआ था? SO3 to SO4. Clear? So this one on both the side get multiplied by with 3. Clear? Step 4. Step 5. Calculate the charge. Calculate the charge and add H plus or H2O to balance it. To balance it on left hand side and right hand side. જે આપણે ચાર્જ બેલેન્સ ઉપર શીખા ને તે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ Cr2O7 2 minus plus 3SO3 2 minus gives 2Cr3 plus 3SO4 2 minus. So 1 into minus 2 plus 3 into
minus 2 plus
2 into plus 3 plus 3 into minus 2. So charge minus 2 minus 6 +6 -6, तो एक तरफ -8 चार्ज और एक तरफ 0, तो x कौन सी तरफ रखेंगे? -x की तरफ. So x -8 gives 0. So x is equal to 0 + 8, that is 8h प्लस डालेंगे कौन से साइड पे? लेफ्ट हैंड. अगर 8h प्लस लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे डालेंगे उसके हाफ क्वांटिटी H2O राइट साइड पे. जो भी साइड पे तुम H प्लस डालोगे उसके हाफ क्वांटिटी H2O राइट हैंड साइड पे. बराबर. तो चलो, तो Cr2O7 2 माइनस प्लस 3SO2 2 माइनस प्लस 8H प्लस लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे डालने को कहा, गिव्स 2Cr3 प्लस 3SO4 2 माइनस प्लस 4H2O. अब चेक करो बैलेंस हुआ कि नहीं. चलो चार्ज तो बैलेंस कर दिया तुमने दोनों तरफ 0 0 करके. क्रोमियम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे और राइट हैंड साइड पे कैलकुलेट करते जाओ. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे और राइट हैंड साइड पे. चलो क्रोमियम, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन एंड सल्फर. क्रोमियम कितने हैं यहाँ पे? 2. यहाँ पे भी 2. सही है. ऑक्सीजन 7 7 + 9 3 × 3 16 4 × 3 12 12 + 4 4H2 है, तो 16 16 हो गए ऑक्सीजन. चलो हाइड्रोजन 4 × 2 8 एंड सल्फर
3 और 3.
क्लियर. सो दिस इज द फाइनल बैलेंस इक्वेशन आ गया तुम्हारा. कौन से 5 स्टेप किए हमने?
फर्स्ट ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर,
चलो.
सेकंड इज
So it is
Balance
completed in a 5 simple step. First, calculate the oxidation number of elements. Normally all the atoms के निकालने होते हैं, but mostly other than hydrogen and oxygen. So step 1 easy है. Step 2, balance the number of atom for which oxidation state is assigned. यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन को बैलेंस नहीं करने की ट्राई करेंगे, उसके लिए हमने असाइन किया नहीं. अदरवाइज अगर लिखेंगे फिर वहाँ पे लिखेंगे अदर देन in those which is difference is not take place. Here there is no difference in oxidation state. If someone ascend oxidation state -2 ही रहेगा, यहाँ पे भी ऑक्सीजन का -2 ही है, तो चेंज होने वाला नहीं है, तो उसको इम्पैक्ट करेगा नहीं. चलो बैलेंस द नंबर ऑफ आइटम फॉर विच ऑक्सीडेशन. हियर क्रोमियम 2 1,
multiply the charge.
so chromium get multiplied by 2. In the step 3, calculate the charge based on change in oxidation number. Identify the oxidation 12 to 6 reduction and +4 to +6 oxidation. Step 4,
multiply by suitable
oxidation half and reduction. Now multiply by suitable multiple to balance the oxidation and reduction on both the side. So in reduction there is a difference of 6 and oxidation 2. So oxidation half get multiplied by 3. So here also get multiplied by 3. Step 5, calculate the charge and add H plus to balance on its both the side. Charge 1 × -2 + 3 × -2 2 × +3 + 3 × -2 -8 0. X minus 8 is equal to 0, to x is equal to +8. So we will 8H plus on a left hand side, the half quantity H2 on a right hand side. This is the final balance equation. Clear? Easy है. कर सकते हैं. करेंगे